Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we'll be exploring Tawhid, the belief in the absolute oneness of Allah, and how it forms the very essence and foundation of Islamic civilization. But Tawhid is not just a belief, it is the comprehensive principle that shapes how Muslims view the world, behave, and build entire societies. And this is beautifully captured in the Quran. Qul inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi rabbil alamin. Say indeed, my prayer, my rites of sacrifice, my living and my dying are for Allah, Lords of the world. Surah Al-An'am, verses 162. This verse shows us that every aspect of life, from our worship to our daily dealings, is connected back to the oneness of Allah. In this short video, we'll explain how Tawhid manifests in 5 key dimensions. First, metaphysics. Second, ethics. Third, axiology. Fourth, societism. Fifth, aesthetics. Let's begin this journey to understand the heart of our civilization.
Tawhid as the first principle of metaphysics means recognizing that everything in the universe, every law of nature, every event happens by Allah's will. Therefore, science is not separate from religion. It is the process of studying Allah's signs in nature. Tawhid rejects the idea of other deities controlling different aspects of the world, asserting that all things operate under the single system of laws Allah created. Consequently, for Muslims, engaging in scientific inquiry is a form of worship, as it is an act of witnessing and understanding Allah's work in creation. This belief can be imagined as a universe with one simple core rule, that there is only one God and everything that exists depends entirely on Him. This is Tawhid. It means that every single star, the force of gravity, and every law of nature only functions because God wills it. This perspective transforms the study of science from a purely secular activity into an act of faith. When a Muslim scientist looks through a microscope or a telescope, they are not just studying cells or stars. They are reading the signs of God. They are learning about His creativity and power by examining the universe He made. In this way, nature is like a complex and beautiful book written by God. Therefore, for a Muslim, exploring the world, whether through science, philosophy, or contemplation, becomes a spiritual journey to understand and draw closer to Allah.
Tawhid is also the foundation of ethics. It reminds us that humans were created to serve Allah and act as His Khalifa, or vicegerent on earth. This means living a moral life, being just, and using knowledge responsibly. Then comes axiology, the study of values. Islam teaches that every action has moral weight. Life is a test where our deeds show our worth before Allah. Tawhid teaches balance, not rejecting the world, but engaging in it with morality and purpose. A true civilization grows when people live ethically, guided by faith.
Tawhid is not just a belief, it's a force that shapes how we live together. In Surah Al-Anbiya verse 92 stated, Inna hadhihi ummatukum ummatan wahidah wa ana rabbukum fa'budun. This ummah of yours is one ummah, and I am your Lord, so worship me. Through Tawhid, Islam teaches us that every believer is part of a single family, brothers and sisters, united not by race, language, or nationality, but by faith. Through this verse, Islam teaches that all believers form one spiritual community. This unity of the Ummah is a reflection of the oneness of Allah Himself. Tawhid also shapes how Muslims understand beauty. In Islam, beauty is a sign of Allah's perfection and harmony in creation. Because Allah is beyond form and His essence cannot be captured or represented, Islamic art avoids idols or human images that may lead to any form of worship. Instead, Islam expresses beauty in more profound ways. We could see it in geometric patterns, symbolizing order, unity, and the structured nature of creation. We use calligraphy, writing Quranic verses in a beautiful way to honor Allah's words, arabesque patterns inspired by nature, and symmetry and balance, showing the harmony Allah created in the universe. These artistic forms communicate beauty without depicting Allah directly, staying true to the principle of Tawhid.
So, as we've seen, Tawhid is far more than a theological concept. It is the beating heart and the foundational blueprint of Islamic civilization. It shapes our understanding of the universe through metaphysics, guides our personal and social conduct through ethics and axiology, unites us as a single community in societism, and inspires the profound beauty of aesthetics. From the laws of science to the strokes of a calligrapher's pen, every facet of life is an expression of this ultimate truth. When we live by Tawhid, we build a civilization that reflects divine unity, justice, and purpose. Thank you for watching. May we all strive to embody this comprehensive spirit.